One.
One. Dala na ako. One, two, three, go. Merry Christmas! And a Happy New Year! 2026. Thank you. Uso, thank you for that. Thank you. Your house.
You can have. But, wash hand muna kayo. Wash hands muna.
Where do I have it?
Di ka kita kasi ito.
Yan, smile. Kylie, go. One, smile. Max.
Pila mo kay Ken. Mo.
Andiyan na, smile. Ken. Max, smile ka, Max. Smile.
Smile.
Oh, sige,
Tapos na. Very good. Very good nga siya. Ba't kan sa amin di siya sumama? Very good nga siya. Di nga siya nagpapatawag eh.
Oy, ano kayo? Napicture mo to kami. Night-tray na.
O yung cake! Dito ka, celebrate si Mami. Yan. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our sins. Forgive those who sins against us. And bring us to the test of the deliver us from evil.
Sing. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Mami Alita. Merry Christmas to us.
Blow na. Yay.
Wish.
Hawakan mo yung kandila.
Hindi, hawakan mo ganun, tapos saka mo blow sa cake. Yan, ganun ang bagong ano ngayon.
Pandemic style.
Yan, nalagdag. Hawakan mo, tapos diyan mag-blow sa'yo.
Yay!
Kala ko tulog muna tayo.
O, kainan na. Yummy, yummy. Asa na si Ate Jillian?
Ay, may kanin!
Ang kanin.
So what next? Good. Can this is the money. Can you need this? This is to control the money. Actually, what does this cost? It costs $50. $50.
Sige, laro ng laro lang. Si Kuya Makrig naman, kain lang.
I don't know.
Oh, just do it. Do your best.
Wala pa siya ginagawa.
Oh, harap ka dito. Punta ka. Dito, how many? Ali ka, go to the, check your work.
O, magkano? 10,
Ilan yung check mo?
20, 30, 40,
Wow!
50. O, may 50 pesos ka.
10, 20, 30, 40, 40.
50.
Bakit?
Ano?
Yellow.
Yung yellow.
Violet.
10, 20.
Yung cream.
30.
Ay, oo nga, 50 nga. Wow, you get 50. O, later ng price, ha?
Okay,
Oh.
next.
Bad boy.
Quiet, Max Emmanuel. Oo, do it, Angela. Go, go, go.
That's one correct.
Agoy, kabanha. Punta dun sa likod. Go to the back.
Disqualified daw magtuturo.
Wala, mabawasan yung price mo dyan.